Hello traders, today is the 8th of October 2013 and the time in London is midnight 17, in New York 17 minutes past 7 p.m. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW soit S008 traders. For Elliott trading, our website is www.24elliottwaves.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. Very, very important. Educational trading video. Okay, very, very important. Let's get started. The title of this video is a third wave mind game. Third wave mind game. Three things will influence our trading results. All right. The first one is the mind game. The second is the trading method. The third one is the money management. Mind game, trading methods, okay, and money management. Very powerful. Talking about the mind game, whenever we are talking about the mind game of trading or mind game applied to Elliott wave, we are focusing on market participant, all right, hedge funds, investment bank, all right, ordinary traders, professional traders, okay, long-term investors, medium-term investors, short-term investors, all market participants. We are trying to go into their mind to understand, okay, what they are likely to do. Looking at the price, okay, which is the number one indicator, looking at the Elliott wave patterns, all right, we want to know how traders, okay, can react to what they are looking at. So when we see, okay, a double zigzag, what is going through our mind, all right? When we see a consolidation and breakout, what's going through our mind, all right? When we are in the third Elliott wave, what is going through our mind? This is about the mind game in trading, all right? One thing trader must understand, okay, the price is the number one indicator. When we are talking about Elliott wave trading, we are talking about the purest technical analysis. We are watching the price itself. Pay attention carefully. The most important thing you need to remember in this video is that when we see the price move from A, all right, to B, so from this point to this point, and then the price pull back from B to C, right here, on low volume, all right, and the pullback did not cancel the prior move, so there was a initial bullish progression, then there was a pullback, all right, and the pullback did not cancel the prior move. We will expect, this is very important, we will expect, all right, the price to continue the move to the upside if we receive a buy signal right here. Repeat, if we receive a buy signal at this point in time. According to the Elliott wave theory, during the motive wave is formed of the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. That's the motive wave. During the motive wave, the longest Elliott wave is the third Elliott wave. Why? It's a mind game. Why is the longest wave? The third Elliott wave is usually, okay, the longest wave. It's not always, but very often the third Elliott wave is the longest wave. Why? Okay, let's pay attention to that. All right. So there is a mind game going on. So if the price move from A to B, and we receive the price pull back on low volume, all right, and we receive a buy signal right here, all right, we will expect the price to move up the same distance as during the prior bullish move. So this is the prior bullish move, which is from A to B. So as we receive a signal here to buy and the price start going up, we will say to ourselves, the price must at least achieve this length of move to the upside. So we will draw horizontal line right here. Where is the mind game? The mind game will come in if, for instance, the price fail to achieve this length to our target level. That's bearish, because there was a bullish progression. Traders were buying. They achieved a certain amount of profit during this time. Now there was another invitation to buy. After the pullback, we receive a signal to buy. The price start going up. Now right here you see the price failed to achieve the same, to reach our target, which is the distance from A to B. So if the price failed to achieve the distance from A to B, it's bearish. We will sell as soon as the common sense trend line is broken right here. You will see this on the 50-minute chart, on the hourly chart, on the 4-hour chart, on any time frame, on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart. This is on the weekly chart for Apple stock. Right here, professionals who understand this mind game, you see, the prior progression from A to B is this one, and then we have a pullback and the price start going up. Now look, it failed to achieve the same distance like the previous, the initial bullish progression. This is bearish. After the trend line is broken here, we will switch time frame. We will not enter the trade on this weekly chart. We switch time frame, use multiple time frame trading method, and to enter it. So you see this candle here, where I placed in a vertical line. You see the price try to go and retest the common sense trend line here. And if we receive a signal to sell here, we will sell it, because it is bearish. It failed to achieve the initial price move. This is a mind game. I have just revealed to you something very powerful that you can work with, whether you are TSTW24 or SYS008 trader. Go on to the 4-hour chart, go on to the daily chart, go on to the monthly chart, quarterly chart, yearly chart, and look for these kind of things. If the price fails to achieve the prior move and the common sense trend line is broken, we will look for opportunity to sell using a multiple time frame trading method. Very simple, but very powerful. According to Elliott wave, the third Elliott wave is the longest wave. So you see here, so I have here, so from here to here, this is my first Elliott wave, second Elliott wave, and this is the third Elliott wave. In this case, on my drawing, is the longest, followed by the fourth and the fifth. Now, so as soon as we receive a buy signal at the end of the second Elliott wave, we will do what? We will project the length of the first Elliott wave from here to here. We will put it on the chart to set our target, to monitor the bullish progression. The same is true when we are selling. So price goes down, rally up, and then we will project the length of the bearish first Elliott wave. So we will do that. So this is the length of my first Elliott wave. I will set my target here for the price. So I will say this is the first Elliott wave, second wave. We will receive a signal to buy here, price start going up. This is my first target. So as the price going up, I'm watching it. If it fails to reach this level, suppose it's a corrective wave, and I didn't know that it's going to be a motive wave. If it fails to achieve the length of the first Elliott wave, and the common central is broken before the price reach my target, I will sell. I will sell. Simple, I will sell. All right? Now, during the third Elliott wave, this is our first target. So price going up, it reach this level, we will take profits. Take profits, all right? Just take profit and watch again. You'll see that the price will acknowledge this level, the length of the first Elliott wave, and we try to go above, the target zone, and then retest it, all right? And then continue the move to the upside, which means the extension, that will be an extension of the length of the prior move, which is the first Elliott wave. That's why the third Elliott wave is usually the longest wave, because as we project the length of the first Elliott wave, the price will go above our target zone, and we'll retest it, and then the move will continue to the upside. Will confirm to us that truly, we are in the third Elliott wave. Remember, sometimes, all right, the third Elliott wave is not the longest wave, but very often it is the longest wave. Same thing we will do again. The first Elliott wave is our measuring stick. So price achieve come to the third Elliott wave. So the third Elliott wave has ended here. The fourth Elliott wave come down, and we receive a buy signal here. All right. So we assume that this was not a complex fourth wave. Everything pulled back nicely and then start going up. We will project again the length of the first wave. This is, okay, the magic measuring stick, so to speak, the first wave. Because very often the length of the fifth wave is usually equal to the length of the first wave. Repeat, very often there is equality between the first wave and the fifth wave. So you have to understand that the initial progression is the first wave, which is the measuring stick for us. The price has exceeded that length during the third Elliott wave, and then pull back. As we receive a signal to buy at the end of the fourth Elliott wave, we'll use again the first wave as our target level to project it on the chart. Very often, either the fifth wave will, okay, achieve the length of the first wave, or will fail to achieve the length of the first wave. If it fails to achieve the length of the first wave, we will look for opportunity to sell as soon as, okay, the common sense trend line is broken. I have to say to traders that this is the ordinary wave trading. There are more complex corrective wave, more complex wave trading, which I don't want to dwell on. This video is about third wave, a mind game. I don't want the video to be too long. I've said it now. So the key point trader must remember in this video, the general market principle or the market stable data that we are discussing through this mind game, going into the mind of the bullish trader that were buying during the initial price move. They know that they have cheap, for instance, if they achieve $100 profit, price pullback, another invitation to buy, they want to achieve the same, okay, profit. Now, if they notice that the price start going down before the price reaches the $100 profit zone, they will worry. They don't want to lose, so they will start banking their profit straight away because they are happy that they have made $100 profit before. Now the price is going down. They see that it's not as bullish as it was before. Everybody say that, oh, it's not going to go up very much. Everybody cash up, and the price will go down. I hope you have learned something from this video about the third wave of mind game, and we put it to use to make excellent decision. If you are TSTW trader and you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me on my Gmail. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. This is the third wave, a mind game. Speak to you soon.